Hey everybody, here I am again, still at the house, moving days in a couple days here, so I'm just trying to put the finishing touches on what I can before we move in. I had to put closet systems in all of our closets to maximize space, and I'll get to that on another quick video. But this one, while I was at it, I figured I would talk a little bit about paint. So I needed to paint this closet, as was brought to my attention by a friend who stopped over yesterday and noted how dirty the closet was, like just the walls and things like that had just gotten dinged up over the years. So needed a fresh coat of paint before I put the closet system in. So I just wanted to touch base on painting. So paint is expensive no matter how you slice it, but when you are painting, try to buy the best quality paint that your budget can afford. You'll get better coverage with a higher quality paint, and you'll also get better scrubbability and wearability. So instead of getting things nicked up and dinged up, you can actually take a magic eraser or something and scrub it right off and it'll come off. Lower quality paint, it just never quite gets the job done. So I like to use Sherwin-Williams Emerald paint. It is the most expensive. I usually wait until it goes on sale. Every once in a while they have a super sale where it's 40% off and it's totally worth it. I try to stock up then if I know what colors I'm gonna be using. But it covers in one coat many times or two, whereas lower quality paint, you're looking at at least two, sometimes three. So it does save time. It eventually ends up saving money because of the fact that you don't have to buy as much. So just wanted to show you real quick the before and after. I've edged out the walls so you can kind of see a line, but you'll see, hang on one second. So this is the before walls. Let me shut this so you can see a little bit better. See, it's all nicked up and dinged up. And it's kind of icky looking, but you can see the nice, sharp, clean edges. And then these are the walls that I've done. So it's nice and fresh and clean and ready for the closet system. So that's next. I hung this track already, and I'll be more on that on another video. So if you found this helpful, please like it and share, and I'll be back with you again. Thanks.